difference with our traditional Visita Iglesia. We're doing the Visita Iglesia now on Palm Sunday. At instead of mga old churches, we are going to concentrate the visit here inside the Metro Manila. Tapos near churches lang. However, the big difference is that what we'll be visiting are Jubilee churches. So, ayan po. 7 Jubilee churches. We're off to the first church, which is located in Posadas, Sukat, the Our Lady of Miraculous Pieta. We're going entering the entrance of Our Lady of Miraculous Pieta. So as you can see, ready po ang local ng LGU ng Sukat ng Posadas. There's an ambulance. Tapos yung mga paradahan, unallowed na po nila. At saka tignan nyo po, even foreigners are attending the masses.
May mga langka.
Ito, maganda sa Pilipinas.
Oh, my baby na prepare.
Okay, sign. Daddy tao.
Traffic kaya.
Okay.
Mukhang may mas ba?
Oo. Holy Week activities na meron na. Ayan na po. Thank you. Yeah. Actually, dito po kami lagi nagsisimba every Sunday. Signing out.
First church na pupuntahan namin. Handa na po sila sa Holy Week. Ayan. Visit muna tayo. Ito po yung passport namin. Yan.
Church. Going to Don Bosco, Parañaque. Dito po siya sa may malapit sa Pure Court. Ayan po ang signage. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko na nakita. Ayan po, sa malayo nakikita na from there. So, ayan po. Dati kami dito. Ayan.
Simbahan, boss. Saan ang daan? Dito kabila?
Kanan, sir, kanan. Malawang kanto kaliwa.
Kanan. Tapos pangalawang kanto kaliwa. Approaching Mary Help of Christian. Nasa loob po ko siya ng subdivision ng Don Bosco. Dito sa may Parañaque. Sana po may mabutan kami misa. May 12 mass dito kasi. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock mass.
12? Ano? Isang oras pa?
Hindi na. Doon na lang sa ano.
Don Bosco.
Don Bosco. Aabot tayo na
Aabot tayo ng 12 doon.
Diyos ko, pupunuan po pala dito pag ganitong oras. Ayan.
Okay. Wow.
Signing off.
Passport namin, no?
Ayan, mga passport.
Okay.
We are pilgrims from the Jubilee.
Off to our third Jubilee Church, Don Bosco. Ayan po. Nag-skyway na po kami. Then baba po dito sa Don Bosco exit. There you go. Kami approaching Don Bosco. And syempre po, typical. Marami pong, ayan po, typical. Palaspas. Ayan. Traditional po na, traditions po ng Pinoy. Daddy, may tao. Hindi siya umakin. Ayan. Ayan. Punong-puno po na. Actually, itong Don Bosco pa isa sa mga maraming ayan, Pilgrims of Hope. Hope po pa talaga si Don Bosco. Okay, signing off.
Thank you. Na-bless, Ace. Na-bless.
Yeah.
Na-bless.
Kami tayo naman siya.
Ha? Yeah, go. Napin mo na lang si mami mo dyan. Where's my mommy? Ayun, doon na lang. Salamat. Saan tayo pupunta?
Sa
Pati kita, ano yan?
sa opisina para magpatatak ko ng pang-tatlo kong Jubilee Church.
Okay. So, nalito. Yan. So, magpapa-autograph lang po kami. Second floor. Ayan, cute. Cute to. Kasi nang walang tao pa. Okay, so next church na tayo. Hindi namin napapirmahan dito sa Don Bosco kasi bukas lang office ng Monday to Saturday. Ayan. May poging baby. Si mama na pagod na. Where's mama? Hi, mama. Okay, signing off. Yung poging daddy. What? Okay, signing off. Hindi pa pala. Ayan, pogi kong baby. Woo! Okay, next church tayo.
Now, we're off to our fourth church. Dito pa rin sa Makati sa National Shrine for Sacred Heart of Jesus. Sa may malapit sa may FU Makati. Medyo natagalan po kami kasi nag-quick lunch lang po kami dun sa may Don Bosco.
Kailangan, syempre.
Kailangan kasi past 1:30 na po.
Nag-mass muna.
Mass, then after ng mass, quick lunch. Approaching Sacred Heart of Jesus. Ayun na po. Diretso lang po tayo, Daddy. Diba? Dinadaanan lang natin siya. Slow down. Slow down. Ayan po.
You have reached your destination.
Opo. We know. So, eto na po siya, ang Sacred Heart. Dahan-dahan lang po. Nawaan tayo na makuha ang parking lot. Ipagkaloob niyo po, papagad na may parking lot. Ang sarap ng mangga. Ay, delete po yun. Okay. Ito na po ang Welcome Pilgrims. Ayan po. Welcome Pilgrims of Pilgrims. There you go.
Mama. Baby, ha? Ako rin.
Nandito na po kami sa Paco Church. Nandito po sa Paco.
Turn left.
Malapit sa Catholic School. So this is our fourth church. Hindi.
Tama.
Tama. Fourth church na po.
Fifth na, tama.
Or fifth. tama, 5th church na po pala. So ayan po, naghahanap kami kung saan kami mag-entrance at saan po yung parking. Sana po may makuha kaming parking.
When the night is cold and long, your strength makes my spirit strong. In your arms where I belong, lifted high by heaven's song. Heaven's light shines through. In every breath, Lord, I find you. Your love remains forever true. Oh Jesus, I surrender to you.
Po kami sa aming anim, 6th.
Ayun,
Aha, 6.
parking.
No parking, pick up lang, church goers. Saan tayo pwede mag-park? Dala pang St. Jude.
Ayun na, kopyahin natin to.
Haiti. Ayan, St. Jude Church.
Bakit,
Ayun, yun. Doon tayo sa pinupuntahan nila.
bakit may mga sasakyan sa loob?
At ito tayo mag-park.
Ha?
Mabayad ka.
Ayan.
Magbayad na na.
Nauna yan, syempre.
Dito na tayo sa parking na to. Ayan, may parking sila dito.
In the stillness of the night, I can feel your light. Breaking through the dark, igniting every spark. Mountains bow before you, oceans roar in praise. Every heart is calling to hear your name always. You are the light of the world, shining bright for all to see. In your love we are unfurled, setting captives free. Hearts unite, feeling strong. Lift our voices with the song. Every soul in harmony, praising you eternally. You are the light of the world, shining bright for all to see. In your love we are unfurled, setting captives free.
Approaching our 7th church, San Sebastian. So ito po yung pang-ikapito. Hindi naman last, but for this visit. The lucky number 7. Ayan.
You have reached your destination.
Entrance. Kaya ito na po, signing off. po. It's all 10 minutes after 10 minutes after 5 o'clock. So nakatapos din pong aming Jubilee Church visits. 7 churches for this day. Hindi po lahat na tatakan yung aming passport, pero it's okay lang po kasi nga po busy nga po sa holiday, sa Palm Sunday. Preparation of the Lent. Bali, start kasi hindi preparation. This is the start of the Lenten holiday. So, ayan po. It's okay lang. We can visit naman po again kasi we have the whole year 2025 to visit yung mga Jubilee churches. And of course, with me, my daddy-o, my bunso, at ang mama namin. Nakasama din niya yan.
Ano, Ace?
So, last church po, at 7th church and last church na visited today is San Sebastian, Recoletos Parish Church. So, pauwi na kami na aming tahan.